So good day, sir, and good day, everyone. So my name is Malia Rose Villasahid. Today, I would like to present the naming branches chain outlines using the IUPAC rules. So in objectives, demonstrate understanding of IUPAC rules for naming branches chain alkynes by explaining the rules and applying them to examples. So first, we have a number 1. So this, let's find the longest carbon chain, which is the parents. So in a UPAC name, mag-count taog 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in a UPAC name, si number 5 is muna siya si pentane, which is our parents. Then, pagitaon na to ang nearest substituent sa ato ang parent. So, nag-count tag 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then, si substituent is naka-band siya kay number 2. So, mana siya ang nearest. So, dali pagitaon na to substituent is na siya sa 2-methyl. So, in carbon, that's why carbon 2, it's because dili siya sa carbon number 2 naka-band. So, CH3-methyl. In a UPAC name, 2-methyl pentane. So, let's proceed sa number 2. So, same gihapon sa number 1. So, let's find the longest carbon chain. So, maghiyap ta 1, 2, 3. So, in a UPAC name, si 3 is si propane. So, pagitaon na to, so now, nakita naman itong parents, si propane. So, now, pagitaon na to asa si substituent. So, mag-count na po ta. 1, 2, 3. So, si substituent is naka-attach siya kay carbon number 2. So, diri sa substituent, makita na to si 2-methyl, which is, kanin si CH3, mo ni siya si methyl. Then, in carbon, so, that's why carbon 2 siya, it's because si methyl group is naka-attach siya kay number 2 carbon. Then, CH3-methyl is mo ni siya si CH3-methyl group. Then, in a UPAC name, 2-methyl propane. So, let's proceed sa number 3. So, number 3 is, makita na to, mas taas-taas siya. So, ihapon na to, unsay kanang longest carbon chain, which is si parent. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, in a UPAC names, ang parents na to is si pentane. So, now, pangitaon na po na to si substituent. So, mag-count 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, kung asan naka-attach si methyl group, so, same lang man sila. Kung dirita magsugod, 3 lang gapon. Kung dirita magsugod, 3 lang gapon. Same lang sila. So, diriyan na lang. 1, 2, 3. So, in substituent, so, 3-methyl. It's because kay carbon number 3, naka-attach si methyl group, which is the CH3. So, in substituent, 3-methyl. And so, so, that's why carbon 3 is because si methyl is diri naka-attach kay carbon 3. And CH3-methyl, which is mo ni si CH3, nga ni-attach kay carbon number 3. So, now, the UPAC name. So, first, the UPAC name nato is 3-methyl pentane. So, mato ko then next is ako na pong kauban, which is si Castillo, mo discuss sa other numbers or chain.
Hi, good morning. My name is Alexandria D. Castillo and I will be discussing the example number 4. So, first is to find the parent chain. So, ato ang iphon pila ka chain ang naa sa ato ang example. So 1, 2, 3 which is si propane. And then ato ang pangitaon si substituent. So ang ato ang substituent is naka-connect siya sa carbon chain nga ikaduha. So which is 2,2-dimethyl. Nganong dimethyl? Kay is because duha ka buok ang naka-attach sa ato ang carbon chain. So and then, ang ato ang carbon is 2CH3-methyl. And then, ang ato ang IUPAC name. So, 2,2-dimethyl propane.
Go.
Wait lang. So, let's proceed to example number 5, which is the last one. So, first, ang pinakauna jud sa katanan is find jud the parent chain. So, atong iphon pila ka chain ang naa sa ato ang example. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, which is si butane. Mo nang ato ang parent chain. And then, second is to find the substituent. So, ang ato ang substituent is nakakonect siya sa second and third substituent. So, ang ato ang substituent karon is 2 and 3 dimethyl. So, nganong di? Mo to kung ingon gaina nga og duha ang substituent, di ang ibutang sa methyl. And then, ang ato ang carbon is 1 and 2 CH3 methyl. And ato ang ayupak name is 2 and 3 dimethyl butane. And that's all. Thank you.
So, that's all of our presentation about the naming branch chains alkyne using the IUPAC rule. So, thank you for listening, everyone. Bye. So again, my name is Maria Rosa Sahed
And my name is Alexandra D. Castillo.
from Moncas BSA.